Dear students, an amazing and glorious good morning to all of you. Students, today we do chapters 17, 18 and 19. We start with the chapter 17 and it is about sounds. Here we shall speak about sounds made by different objects. Guns, boom, hands, clap, hinges, creak, leaves, rustle, loudspeakers, blare, shoes, creak, winds, whistle, wings, flap. Learn these sounds, okay? Students, chapter 18 is about cries. What is a cry? A cry is a loud sound without words that express a strong feeling. We shall now discuss about cries made by different animals and birds. Sound made by bulls is called bellow. Cocks crow. Crows caw. Cats mew. Dogs bark. Ducks quack. Doves and pigeons coo. Elephants trumpet. Foxes yell. Goats and sheep bleat. Horses neigh. Lions roar. Pigs grunt. Rats squeak. Snake hiss. You are familiar with some of these sounds, aren't you? Okay. There are still more. You can get them from the notes. Now we move on to our next lesson, words of motion. What is motion? Motion is the act of moving or the way something moves. Motion is the act of moving or the way something moves. Let's learn some motions. The way aeroplanes move is called fly. Birds also fly. Boats sail. Frogs hop. Horses gallop. Men walk. Planets rotate. Rivers flow. Ships sail. Vehicles ply. Winds blow. Students, these are some motion words. There are also other words which you will find in your notes. Learn them with great interest. As for your homework, you will solve all the worksheet exercises and send them to me by 9 p.m. today. All the best. Take care and God bless.